Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you master rice recipes. First, select the right rice for your dish, whether it's long grain, short grain, or a specialty variety. Next, measure your rice and water accurately, often a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice. Rinse your rice thoroughly to remove excess starch, ensuring a fluffier texture. Finally, bring the water to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until all the liquid is absorbed. Let's dive into basic cooking methods. For most white rice, a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice works well. Bring the water to a boil, add your rinsed rice, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 18 to 20 minutes. Avoid lifting the lid during cooking. Once done, let it rest for 5 minutes off the heat, then fluff with a fork to separate the grains. This ensures a light and airy result every time. Now let's explore some delicious rice variations. For a savory pilaf, sauté aromatics like onions and garlic, then toast your rice before adding broth and herbs. To make a creamy risotto, gradually add warm broth while stirring constantly until it reaches a rich consistency. For quick fried rice, use day-old cooked rice, stir-fry with your favorite protein and vegetables, and finish with a dash of soy sauce. Proper storage is key for safety and freshness. Store cooked rice in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. When reheating, ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent bacterial growth. For best results, add a tablespoon of water before microwaving or steaming. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly cooked rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.